As the raw material, the law of one widely recognized emerges as a remarkable channeled text that offers an intricate tapestry of spiritual insights at its core. It consists of 106 questions and answers, a fascinating interaction between a group of dedicated UFO researchers and an enigmatic entity known as Ra. This encounter was out of the ordinary because it went beyond the realms of extraterrestrial technology and into the profound domains of philosophy and spirituality. The researchers began this cosmic investigation with no intention of discovering advanced technological secrets, as one might expect from those involved in the study of unidentified flying objects. Instead, they sought to comprehend the enigmatic being's profound wisdom and spirituality. They sought to comprehend in a world frequently preoccupied with the tangible in terms of material. These individuals chose the road less traveled in order to delve into the metaphysical and ineffable. The Law of One offers an enthralling framework for understanding the evolution of consciousness through the lens of 7 densities. Each density represents a distinct stage in the evolution of consciousness, acting as a roadmap for comprehending the complex journey. The journey begins with pure existence, where beings are analogous to combinations of elemental forces, earth space, air, fire, and water. This is the realm of fundamental building blocks, second density growth and movement. As consciousness evolves into the second density, it embraces growth and movement. Third density, self-awareness. The third density marks a significant shift as self-awareness emerges. Entities have the ability to interact with their environment and move about mirroring the characteristics of creatures like pets. This stage is distinguished by the formation of individual identities and thoughts that encompass both the past and the future, and the arrival of fears. Consciousness begins to manifest itself through light, with denser light allowing for greater expression of consciousness. Fourth, density, love and unity. The domain of love and unity is frequently associated with the fourth density. It is contained within this density that consciousness begins to congregate and evolution accelerates. When entities work harmoniously together, this density corresponds to the heart chakra, and its exploration is critical to attaining higher states of consciousness. Fifth and sixth densities. The fifth and sixth densities complete the journey. Each is intricately linked to different chakras and rays. The fifth density is associated with the throat chakra and the blue ray, whereas the sixth density is associated with the third eye chakra and the indigo ray. What's more, these densities aren't discrete. They intermingle and overlap as consciousness evolves. Seventh density, the gateway to unity. The seventh density is the culmination of the spiritual odyssey, where beings stand at the threshold of unity. With the Creator, they exist in a state of profound connection, embodying the highest aspects of consciousness evolution. The Law of One highlights the fluidity of this progression, emphasizes that these densities are not distinct islands, but rather aspects of the same evolving consciousness. As it progresses toward unity consciousness, humanity moves through these densities, weaving a complex tapestry of experience and evolution within the profound philosophy of the Law of One. The universe is more than just a vast array of stars, planets, and galaxies. It takes on a much more intricate and significant role. The universe is portrayed as a cosmic laboratory, crucible of experiences aimed at assisting the one infinite. Creator comes to a better understanding of himself. This idea fundamentally alters our understanding of the universe, imbuing Every aspect of the universe, from the largest celestial bodies to the smallest, is treated with purpose and intention in this paradigm. Particles are an essential component of the Creator's experiment. Each sentient being, from the most advanced civilizations to the most primitive life forms, plays a distinct role in the unfolding story across countless dimensions. The Creator paints his portrait of himself using the universe itself. This perspective invites reflection on the Creator's insatiable curiosity and boundless desire to explore its own infinite possibilities. Being it conjures up images of a scientist engrossed in a laboratory, meticulously conducting experiments, each result yielding new insights into the nature of existence. According to this viewpoint, the universe is a testament to the Creator's never-ending pursuit of self-discovery through the dynamic interplay of matter, energy, and consciousness within the philosophical framework of the Law of One. In the Law of One philosophy, the existence of suffering emerges as a multifaceted enigma, inviting profound contemplation and reflection. Suffering is approached in a variety of ways. One such viewpoint is based on the Hindu concept of Leela, which sees the universe as a joyful expression of the one infinite Creator. From this vantage, this point, suffering is seen as an integral part of the larger tapestry of existence, rather than as an isolated and meaningless experience. In this way, the Creator explores infinite possibilities, contributing to the universe's rich diversity. Another viewpoint contends that suffering is an intrinsic component of a universe striving to express infinite potentialities, and that true diversity can only manifest when all aspects of existence, including suffering, are allowed to be expressed in this context. Suffering is not a flaw or a deviation from a harmonious universe. Rather, it is an essential component of the grand symphony of creation. The universe explores the full range of experiences through the interplay of suffering and joy. In its exploration of suffering, the profundity of existence, individuals are encouraged to see adversity as a necessary part of the universal journey, rather than as a source of pain. Suffering takes on new meaning in this enigmatic perspective, inviting us to consider the intricate interplay of light and shadow, joy and sorrow, growth and challenges, and the concept of third density as essential elements in the ongoing exploration of the one infinite Creator. Our current state of existence is fundamental to the law of one's exploration of suffering. The experience of suffering and the veil of forgetting characterize this density, which serves to protect free will and individual autonomy. The veil of forgetting ensures that individuals have an authentic choice between living in love and unity and living in separation. It creates an environment where souls can explore the depths of their existence, wrestle with difficulties, and, in the end, make genuine choices that contribute to their spiritual growth. The concept of the veil of forgetting individuals is one of the most important concepts in the Law of One's perspective. Wearing this veil allows them to begin their earthly existence with a clean slate, free of the memories of previous lives. In this way, there is free will. Furthermore, the authenticity of choice is protected, allowing each soul to make decisions without being influenced by past experiences. The veil creates an intense sense of separation from one's true self. Individuals are inspired to embark on a journey of self-discovery and self-realization by the spiritual essence. The concept of spiritual balancing is introduced as an integral aspect of the human in the philosophy of the Law of One. Experience This concept is based on the recognition of imbalances within the energy centers known as chakras. Each of the 7 chakras is associated with different aspects of human existence, ranging from survival and sexuality in the root chakra to connection with the divine source in the crown chakra. Become attuned to these imbalances and address them with love. Forgiveness and awareness are regarded as necessary for personal development and spiritual evolution. The concept of free will is presented as a fundamental aspect of existence, a divine gift that grants autonomy and allows us to shape our lives. Is the law of one being capable of making choices within a set of parameters. This viewpoint compares human existence to that of an algorithm, with individuals navigating their lives by making choices that correspond to their intentions and desires. Karma is depicted as a mechanism within the universal algorithm meant to ensure that individuals experience the consequences of their choices as a correction device. It ensures the balance of the universe, and it facilitates. Karma is presented as a natural and impartial process through which individuals receive feedback about the alignment of their choices with their spiritual path within the law of one philosophy, rather than as a punitive force. The dance of free will and karma is complex and intricate. Individuals make choices that shape their experiences and spiritual evolution through free will. These decisions, in turn, have karmic consequences, creating opportunities for learning and development. The philosophy encourages people to consider the consequences of their decisions, recognizing that each decision has the potential to direct their spiritual journey in either a positive or negative direction. Kundalini Awakening is a phenomenon that is inextricably linked to the spiritual concepts outlined in the Law of One. This neurobiological process occurs within the human nervous system, but it does not happen at random. It is the result of a specific level of spiritual commitment and effort. It's a journey towards higher consciousness. And while it has the potential for profound transformation and enlightenment, it's not for the faint of heart, as improper handling can lead to challenges and difficulties in the Law of One Kundalini. Awakening is regarded as a portal to comprehending the universe's inherent unity and the individual's role within it. This awakening has a long history, with humans experiencing it for thousands of years. It essentially represents a shift in neurobiology to a higher frequency level, signifying a significant shift in a person's consciousness. When the Kundalini energy, which is often depicted as a coiled serpent at the base of the spine, is awakened, it ascends through the body, moving from the base of the spine toward the brain and down into the gut. This journey is not only physical, but it also represents the ascension of consciousness from the lower chakras to the higher ones. The energy released during a Kundalini awakening is enormously potent, at least 5 times more powerful than our current third density energy, and as such requires careful preparation. And readiness meditation is emphasized as a fundamental practice for individuals seeking to prepare their nervous systems to deal with this increased energy, drawing parallels with the Law of One. This awakening is analogous to the need for preparation when channeling the energy of a higher density being, just as one must be prepared to receive the energy of a master, and channeling individuals embarking on the Kundalini journey must be adequately prepared to handle this transformative energy flow. While the Kundalini awakening process is frequently portrayed as a personal experience, it is inextricably linked to the broader concepts of unity and oneness expressed in the Law of One. It represents the potential for humans to transcend their limitations and ascend to higher states of existence by observing the patterns in one's own life. And the Law of One philosophy encourages the world around them. These patterns frequently manifest as synchronicities, coincidences, and repetitions that transcend individual belief systems and perspectives when acknowledged and contemplated. Individuals gain a better understanding of the universe's underlying unity and coherence. This recognition, which transcends limited viewpoints, fosters a sense of interconnectedness and shared experience. In this way, pattern recognition becomes a tool for broadening awareness and uncovering hidden truths about the nature of existence. Truth and purpose are central themes in one philosophy's law. It emphasizes the importance of remaining open to various truth possibilities, rather than rigidly adhering to preconceived notions. According to the philosophy, human assumptions about reality are frequently flawed, and spirituality entails a continuous process of correcting these misconceptions by approaching reality with humility and a willingness to adapt. This allows individuals to gradually align their understanding with higher truth. Ultimately, according to the law of one, living a good life is synonymous with living a loving life, and the ultimate purpose of existence is to know oneself and the one infinite creator. From this vantage point, individuals are encouraged to embark on a self-discovery and transformational inner journey, recognizing that the pursuit of truth and purpose is a never-ending, ever-evolving pursuit that transcends rigid ideas and limited perceptions.